Hey, good afternoon, folks. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and this is the Clay Way. Today we're working on a 2006 Saturn Vue. This is going to be the same from the 2004 to 2007 Saturn Vues. They are the best years and the only years that they came with the complete Honda driveline, just like what's inside your Honda Pilot. So if you have a Saturn Vue, the transmission won't shift, and your instrument cluster is not working, your speedometer won't go up, more than likely you have a bad output vehicle speed sensor. So we're going to show you how to replace that today. We're going to jack the vehicle up right here using the pinch weld right underneath the door. So right there is a pretty sweet spot. With the vehicle lifted up, the sensor is going to be approximately right here, so we're going to go underneath the vehicle. Okay, up underneath the vehicle, the sensor that we're looking for is right here. And it's going to be easily gotten to with an extension and a 1/4-inch drive ratchet. We'll be able to take that bolt right over here, and then I was able to reach it back up to the top of there, and then using my left arm, I was able to loosen up my bolt and pull the bolt all the way out. With the bolt removed, the nice thing would be if we could just spin that back and forth. As we spin it back and forth, we pull on it. So now we want to push down on the clip right there and pull the sensor back. Sometimes it's easier to push forward on the clip and then pull the sensor away. I'm just double checking to make sure I have the right component. This component was actually $70 at my parts store and will certainly fix the problem if you have a speedometer that does not work. Now you just quite simply reinsert it the same way you took it out. Now it's all plugged back in. So the part's back in there, and I've got my fingers super crossed because my scanner battery was dead and I couldn't scan this for codes before I went ahead and just jumped to conclusions and thought maybe it's the output speed sensor because my speedometer doesn't work. And we're gonna see. Nope. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Woo! Eureka! Shifted a little bit hard there, but she's shifting. Man, you don't know how super stoked I am about that. When it would shift into second gear, the gear that controls the speedometer would throw into the VSS sensor and rip the tip of it off and not allow the transmission to shift. There's definitely a bad bushing inside it. So I got it back down here to the shop. We're gonna pull the transmission out of it and put another transmission in it because the transmission was only $300. And to be honest with you, the part was 70 bucks, so why not fix it? Hopefully the video was helpful for you guys. If you want, continue to watch for my other videos that show you what I'm doing on this and how I actually fix it. Eventually I'm going to make a video of me tearing the transmission apart and showing you what happened to it and why it's breaking the tip off of there. But for now, please consider subscribing, clicking the notification, sharing my videos, and if you got a question for me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair Facebook Messenger. Have the best of days. God bless. Don't be the next of them, be the first of you, and if anyone else can do it, you can do it too.